I'm okay, your body's calling. Girl, now you got me speaking in foreign, but I don't understand anything you're saying. Girl, I wanna be your JJJ. Girl, I can love you till the morning. Baby, don't cry, don't you worry. I'll be your shade when it's sunny.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this orange hair. I used some 613 hair. I used 4 bundles on the frontal of 613 straight hair, and I just made it into a wig. This is what it looked like when I was done. So this was my first time ever coloring hair, and I decided to try the watercolor method because it looked so easy. And this is how it turned out. I used this Chinese hair color because, as you guys know, I live in China, so I can't really get a door. It's super expensive here. And this is just in the shade orange. If you live in China and you want to use this, you could just go back and take a screenshot and check for it on Taobao. It's about 20 yuan or so. But a substitute for this is the Adore in Sunrise Ginger. So I just put the hair inside. Guys, use gloves. Always use gloves. This is a mistake I made, and my hands were orange for about 4 days. It was crazy. This is definitely something I have learned, to always use gloves, because it wasn't even funny. I tried everything to take this off, but then it wasn't going. It just started wearing off on its own. It was about 4 to 5 days. My hands were orange for so long, and it was crazy. So the water that I'm using is warm water. Just make sure your water, it doesn't have to be super hot. I made it super hot, but then it got warm, and then I left the hair inside for about almost an hour. I left it for so long before I washed off the dye, and I used conditioner. I didn't use shampoo. I used conditioner to wash it off. After I did this, some parts of the hair didn't really get the color, so I just coated the hair with the dye on its own, and then I left it overnight. Yes, I left it overnight, and then this was the result. The color was so bright, and it turned out to be what I wanted. I was so happy. So now I'm just going to move into the installation parts. As you guys can see, my hands are orange. I wouldn't really explain this part because I have about 3, I don't know, I have a lot of videos where I showed you guys how to install your frontals, so you could just go scroll down on my channel and watch those videos, or this is quite self-explanatory. You can just keep watching and you know what I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave now. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.